China, a land of vast landscapes and ancient civilizations, beckons travelers with its allure. Join us on an unforgettable journey as we unveil the top 10 must-visit destinations in China, each a testament to the nation's rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking natural beauty. Snaking its way across the rugged landscape for thousands of miles, the Great Wall of China stands as a testament to human endeavor. For centuries, this monumental fortification served as a vital line of defense, protecting the Middle Kingdom from invaders. From battling to tranquil Xi'an, the wall offers a glimpse into China's storied past. Feel the weight of history as you ascend its ancient steps, imagining the soldiers who once patrolled these battlements. At the heart of Beijing lies the Forbidden City, a sprawling palace complex that was the epicenter of imperial power. Today we step through time into intricate courtyards, opulent throne rooms, and serene gardens. Each step reveals glimpses into a bygone era, from the Hall of Supreme Harmony to the Imperial Garden. In 1974, farmers digging a well stumbled upon one of the most astonishing archaeological discoveries, the Terracotta Army. Hidden beneath the earth for over 2 millennia, thousands of life-size terracotta soldiers guarded the tomb of Emperor Qin Shi Huang. The Bund, Shanghai's iconic waterfront promenade, embodies the city's unique blend of East and West. Colonial-era buildings stand as a testament to Shanghai's cosmopolitan past, their facades reflected in the shimmering waters of the Huangpu River. As dusk descends, the Bund bursts into a kaleidoscope of color as Pudong's futuristic skyscrapers illuminate the night sky. Escaping the stifling heat of the Forbidden City, emperors of the Qing dynasty sought solace in the tranquil beauty of the Summer Palace. Wander through the exquisite gardens, adorned with pavilions, bridges, and temples, each element creating a harmonious blend of nature and artistry. Cruise across Kunming Lake, its placid waters reflecting the sky, and marvel at the intricate beauty of the long corridor. Prepare to be transported to a realm of fantasy in the otherworldly landscapes of Zhangjiajie National Forest Park. Towering sandstone pillars, sculpted by eons of erosion, pierce the heavens, draped in verdant foliage. Test your courage on the glass-bottomed skywalk suspended above the forest floor, or take a thrilling cable car ride to the summit of Qianmen Mountain. High on the Tibetan plateau atop Mapari Hill stands the majestic Potala Palace, a symbol of Tibetan Buddhism. This architectural masterpiece, once the Dalai Lama's winter residence, defies gravity, its whitewashed walls and golden roofs shimmering against the sky. Inside, intricate murals and sacred relics offer a glimpse into Tibet's rich spiritual traditions. Embark on an unforgettable journey along the Li River, where nature's beauty unfolds like a scroll painting. As our boat glides through tranquil waters, we are treated to a panorama of towering karst peaks, their verdant slopes reflected in the mirror-like surface. Carved into the sheer cliff face at the confluence of 3 rivers, the Xi'an giant Buddha stands as a testament to human ambition and the enduring power of faith. Gazing serenely across the waters, this colossal statue, the largest stone Buddha in the world, has been a place of pilgrimage for over 1,000 years. Nestled in the Sichuan province, the Chengdu research base of giant panda breeding offers a heartwarming encounter with China's beloved and endangered creatures. Observe these gentle giants as they munch on bamboo, play in their enclosures, and care for their adorable cubs. Our journey through China's top destinations has only scratched the surface. Embark on your own adventure and uncover the wonders of China, where ancient traditions meet modern innovations, creating a tapestry of experiences that will captivate your senses.